Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Love from Lizi's February 2023 kit is now available. The theme is Watercolor Wonder. And if you are interested in the kit, I do have links provided in the description box below. So let me show you everything that's included. There are 5 sheets of cardstock. These are all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. We have a light blue, a bright yellow, black, white, and orange. The pattern paper this month is A4 size and it's absolutely beautiful. All different watercolor wash designs. The first paper with all the pinks is my favorite. This one is also lovely with all the purples and blues. There are 11 sheets of pattern paper included in the kit in a beautiful rainbow of colors. And with the larger A4 size, it'll be easy to cut down and use for backgrounds on a card. Here's a lovely orange design that you could use for a sunrise or sunset. We have some yellow stripes and a couple sheets with polka dots. The kit also includes 4 sheets of printed vellum. I'll lay them on the white cardstock so you can see the beautiful patterns. This first one is lots of dashes or little stripes. Then we have this beautiful purple pink design. Next is yellow polka dots. And the final is another ombre design in a beautiful teal color. Printed vellum is always fun. You just have to be careful where you place your adhesive so it doesn't show. Next up, there are 3 sheets of die cuts, and these are all punch outs. The first one has a bunch of pennants and banners, and the designs match the pattern paper. The next sheet has a couple of boxes you can assemble, and then we have some sentiments and little labels. And the final sheet has a couple more boxes and more sentiments. And I really like that there are some general sentiments. Hello there, thank you, just for you, and also some other sentiments. The next item is the stamp set that's included, and I love this large, bold hello. And you can mix and match the words for different sentiments. Happy hello is always one of my favorite sentiments to use. The kit this month does include a stencil, and it's more of that watercolor look. The very large opening fits the sentiments, which will be fun, and then you can use some of the other patterns to add little details to your card. Lizi's introduced a brand new color of peel-offs. This is Sapphire Holographic, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Super sparkly in this beautiful blue color. This is the pinstripe style. Next, we have 4 tags, 2 large tags and 2 small tags, and the designs match the pattern paper. The cardstock on the tags is really nice and thick. The next item is a bag of alphabet wooden pieces. They all have that watercolor wash look on one side, and what's really nice, they have adhesive on the back, so you just have to remove the release paper. It's always nice to have alphabets so you can create your own sentiments. There are 2 dies included this month, and both of them are sentiments. We have a cloud with the sentiment, "It's your birthday," and then also the word "cheers." Since the kit really doesn't have any images, it's nice that Lizi's included lots of large sentiments. There are 3 small ink pads included in the kit. We have emerald, ultramarine, and also lemon. And to go along with the ink pads, she's also included 3 sponge daubers. So that way you have something ready to go to use with the stencil. There are 5 meters of ribbon, 1 meter each. This is the nice skinny ribbon. We have orange, yellow, pink, green, and blue. Nice bright colors to go with all the beautiful colors in the kit. There are 2 rolls of washi tape, and they have the same design as the pattern paper. One has stripes and the other is more of a watercolor wash look. The next item is a bag of large brads. I believe there are 5 different colors. Nice and bright to go with all the beautiful colors in the kit. And they'll be perfect to use with the 4 tags that are included. Here's the bag of sequins this month, all gorgeous iridescent colors. This is a sample size bag. If you love sequins, you can always purchase a full-size bag as an add-on. For embellishments, we have a sheet of wooden dots in 3 different sizes. These are really fun. Lizi's included them before. You can use them as is, or you can color them. I've done heat embossing on them, painting, using regular ink, lots of different options. So that's everything that's included in Love From Lizi's February 2023 card kit. And I did receive a few add-ons. The first add-on is Watercolor Wishes Bumper Pack. So it's very similar to the 3 sheets of punch-outs that are included in the kit, but there are lots more. So some of them have little journal cards. There's a sheet with a bunch of bows. This sheet has some little pockets where you can slide a note inside. Here's a sheet where you can assemble some small envelopes. There's a fun sheet with a bunch of borders. And then the final sheets are stickers, 2 different sets of alphabets, a tiny little alphabet and a larger one. The bumper packs are always a fun way to stretch the contents of your kit. The next add-ons are the 2 peel-off variety packs that coordinate with the kit. The pack on the left is the variety bundle. We have gold holographic mini stars, silver holographic mini circles, pink holographic mini hearts, and also green holographic in the straight design. The set on the right is the pinstripe. There's spearmint green, pink, yellow, and black. Lizi also released a rainbow 6-pack. These are all pinstripe. We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and pink. The final add-on I received is the pearlescent cardstock bundle. There are 6 sheets included. They have a beautiful shimmer finish on one side and they're white on the other. We have blue, beautiful pink color, a bright green, white, a soft purple, and a soft orange color. Now here's another look at Love From Lizi's February 2023 card kit. The theme is Watercolor Wonder. If you are interested in purchasing the kit or subscribing, I do have links provided in the description box below. This is a monthly kit, so quantities are always limited. The only way to guarantee receiving a kit is to sign up and subscribe. I do want to be honest, I'm not sure when I'm going to get to this kit. My mother recently passed away, so I'm not doing a lot of videos at this time, but I did want to make sure to share the unboxing in case someone was interested in purchasing it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.